Simple-ESL. As you can see, I'm wearing my tracksuit, my hoodie. I've been out exercising. So today's preparation activity is looking at free time activities and useful vocabulary within the free time activities. So that could be exercising, for example, and we're going to take a look at some of that stuff. So the first free time activity, balancing around, trying to keep your balance, is yoga. Okay, so this is yoga. I've tried that in the past. A little bit of stretching, downward dog, yoga. Our next activity, does anybody know? Football. So, could be soccer, could be football, but that is our next activity, football. So, does anybody know this activity? This one is baking. So, Great British Bake Off, cakes, cookies, baking. Something I need to lay off. This one? Any artists out there? It's painting. Okay, so that's painting. You can see, nice and relaxing, painting a nice background. It's painting. This one was in an episode last week. Does anybody remember what it is? At the beach, you would go surfing. So this is an activity you can do. If you're nice, warm place, get your bathing suit on, go surfing. Any musicians? Any musicians there? Playing guitar. Now, if you don't play guitar and you play a different instrument, you can always replace guitar with the name of the instrument. Okay? So, I'm really cool. I played the clarinet. Okay? So, playing guitar. Playing an instrument. And this is my favourite activity. Watching TV. If you don't watch TV, maybe it's Netflix or Amazon or Apple or YouTube. Watching TV, watching YouTube. It's a fun activity and one that we all indulge in. So, throw these up here. How do we say that we like or don't like the activity? So, for example, I said that I enjoy watching TV. And you would say, I enjoy, and then your activity. So that could be, I enjoy playing guitar. I enjoy football. I enjoy watching TV, watching YouTube. Variation on this is, I'm really into this activity. My favourite thing is, so my favourite thing is watching TV. My favourite, yes, love it. I find football really fun. So we've restructured the sentence, and this shows a bit more of a complex way of stating that you enjoy an activity. I find, that's an opinion, this activity really fun. Okay? You can also say, for example, the yoga, perhaps you find that really relaxing. I find, just like I think, I find yoga really relaxing. Just lie back here. Nice, it's calm, really relaxing. Now, I don't like. I'm sure there's plenty of you out there. I don't like football. I don't like baking. Okay? I always burn my cakes. I don't like baking. The other end of the spectrum is I love it. I adore it. It's brilliant. It's fantastic. I love baking. And I hate baking. Okay? So I hate this. This is an extreme view on the activity. If you hate something, it's every fibre of your being. Let me demonstrate what I mean by these. So I enjoy. It's good. It's a happy thing. It's a good thing. I enjoy playing football. I enjoy playing guitar. These ones would also fall into the category. So I'm really into watching TV. My favourite thing is watching TV. These are all the same, about the same level and the same emotion. It's a good thing. I'm happy. You can also say I find really fun. I find surfing really fun. Now, I don't like. It's negative. We don't like that activity. I don't like studying English. I hope that's not the case. You're all here to learn. But I don't like playing guitar. I don't like doing homework. So there's an example of a negative. Another negative would be I hate. This is a strong emotion. It's a really strong emotion. I hate this. So, I hate doing chores. Yeah? So, really negative. I hate it. So, the complete opposite of hate would be love. I think it's great. I love surfing. This is a passion and what the thing you would do first in your spare time. So you get out of school, what's the first thing you want to do? I love watching TV. I love football. I love baking. It's brilliant. Okay? So, what is this activity? Do we know? Let's start the sentence. I enjoy playing guitar. Okay? I enjoy playing guitar. So, what's this one here? I'm really into. Is this positive or negative? It's positive. It's a positive statement. I'm really into. What's this activity? Painting. I'm really into painting. Okay? I don't like. Positive, negative. It's negative. It's a negative thing. I don't like. And what's this activity? I don't like surfing. Hate it. Hate surfing. I find really relaxing. Is this positive? Negative? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? It is a positive. It's good. We want to do this one. I find it's my favourite activity. Do you remember what it was? It is watching TV or watching YouTube